In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from S23 Ultra to S24 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage and transfer all of your old data from your Samsung smartphone to a new one. This will also work if you have other brands of smartphones, such as an iOS device, and you want to transfer over to the S24 Ultra. So to do this, you simply have to use an application developed by Samsung themselves, Smart Switch. So you can download this application from the Play Store or the Samsung Store as well. Look for Smart Switch. This should also be a default application, and when you open it up, you will be presented with this screen. Make sure that you read through all of this, continue, and then choose the option to receive the data. So you will be doing this on the new device where you will receive the data from the old one. When you choose receive data, the source will be a Galaxy device, aka the S23 Ultra or any other old Samsung smartphone that you have. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you can also use this for iOS devices, so keep that in mind. But when you choose Galaxy, they are going to ask you to choose between a cable or wireless. I recommend using a cable. It is more reliable and usually faster, but you can do it wirelessly if you want to. The steps are generally the same. For a wired option, you will connect a cable on the S23 Ultra and then the other one into the S24. Usually the charging cable will do for this process. So once they are connected, you will get this pop-up on the old Galaxy device. Ignore the model here, this is just an example, and you have to approve this transfer. So open Smart Switch, choose OK, and you can select what data will be transferred over. If you just want to transfer everything, leave it on default, or you can customize individual things such as accounts, calls, contacts, and so on. Once you tap next, wait for this process to finish, and you will receive all of your data on your new Samsung Galaxy smartphone. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from S23 Ultra to S24 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.